Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you real quick how to use this grinder flange nut kit. We got this. It's a replacement. Fits pretty much any angle grinders. We're going to go ahead. We have it actually on this Ryobi. We got to replace this. So anyways, you're going to want to press down on this. This is your lock, and your grinder's going to have a lock on it. Once you press it down, it's locked. Wheel won't spin. We're going to go ahead and take this, the wrench that comes with the kits. Going to go ahead and loosen it up. We're going to unscrew. We're going to get rid of that. Again, this is what comes in that kit, is you have this and you have your wrench. Okay, so when it comes to this, see how it's two different sides? So with anything that's under an 1/8 inch wheel, so like a disc like this, it's under an 1/8, you're going to want to go ahead and have this turning inside. So you'll install it like this. If it's larger than your 1/8, like something big like this, you're going to want to go ahead and install it like this. So this flat edge is going to be out. So smaller than an 1/8, install it like this. Larger than 1/8, install it like this. Take it again, 1/8. Going to put this baby down, just like so. Also don't want to make sure you forget this. Go ahead, take this in. Install like this on this Ryobi. Put that in. Take this again. It's under an 1/8 inch, so or 1/8 inch and under. Going to go ahead and hold on to that lock again. Boom, you're good to hook. Again, on grinders, it'll have which way that disc will be turning. You want to make sure on the disc, it'll also have a direction on it. You want to make sure that you install it correctly and not upside down. So there you go, super easy. It's a nice little replacement if you ever lose a nut. And